So today we're making pot roast chicken. Come on in the kitchen, let's get started. Alright, let's go ahead and marinate our chicken. It's already been washed. Here I have some chicken bouillon, salt, sazon, some black pepper, and some complete seasoning. There I will add some fresh green seasoning and some Chinese sauce for color. Mix well to combine, and we will set this into a storage bag and allow it to marinate overnight. Now let's prepare a quick sauce for the chicken using some Chinese sauce, barbecue sauce, some ketchup, and some water. You want to add water here to thin the sauce out, because if you don't do that, the sauces will burn. Next, we'll go ahead and sear our chicken on both sides. So yeah, go ahead. Once they become brown on one side, give it a flip, allow it to brown on the other side, and once they are done, we will proceed with the next step. So I went ahead and switch pots because I wanted all the chicken pieces to fit in the same pot. Here I will go ahead and add that sauce that I made, and you want to lower your heat to medium-low, cover this, and allow it to simmer for about 45 minutes or so. Every 15 minutes you will go in and rotate the chicken to make sure it's being cooked evenly on all sides. After about 45 minutes, your sauce should evaporate and the chicken should be perfectly cooked, almost falling off the bone. I like to go ahead and garnish with some fresh onions and bell peppers just for a pop of color and brightness, but it's completely optional. Now we can go ahead and plate this up and enjoy. This is my version of the most delicious Guyanese style pot roast chicken. And this was paired with some fried rice, a fresh garden salad, and some potato salad. But it can be paired with almost anything. Feel free to just explore, and like I said, give the recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.